Good morning, everybody. I'm Dr. Shweta Gupta, this side a classical homeopath. As you all know, a faculty, a student of PG student of Hanuman College of Homeopathy, West London. And today, the topic of conversation is homeopathy in schizophrenia. I already shared a post of schizophrenia. Everybody is aware what is schizophrenia: delusion, illusion, hallucination, behavior changes. After that, disorganized speech, disorganized behavior, and so-called negative symptoms. But today my focus is not about schizophrenia. World know about it, you can easily google it. I want to just focus on homeopathic protocol in schizophrenia. See, as per our organon, as per our homeopathic system, we don't believe in the naming of the disease. We go with the symptoms. We cure the patient, we cure the person having illness, not the disease by its name, right? If you see, as you all know, ki I am a classical homeopath, I go with the repertorization. So if you'll go in the repertory and find schizophrenia, suppose you go with the, see, schizophrenia is a complete state of mind. So my Kent mind, the Kent repertory is very useful in this. Or the people who are using softwares, they can use the complete repertory. They can use radar, they can use homepath. There are multiple n number of softwares are there. See, I personally believe ki let's take an example from the complete repertoire itself. If we'll go write schizophrenia, it's a clinical name. You will There are two variations. One is, if a patient is in a state of illusion, you can directly go to the mind illusion about what. In case of delusion, you can write mind delusion and go to the subtype. Hallucination, you can again go with the hallucination and refer to the subtype. But if we'll say classically, if we are not going with the patient, we are just discussing a topic. I have been given this topic from Hanuman College of Homeopathy. It is a topic of discussion. We are not dealing with the patient. Okay, in patient we can individualize, but when we are having a topic of discussion, we cannot individualize. We have to go for journals. So if we'll go with the journal thing, then if you write schizophrenia and complete repertory, it will give you 5 or 6 subtype. Schizophrenia in general, schizophrenia in children, schizophrenia catatonic, habiphrenic, paranoid is there, right? And then you have to first you have to specify what type of a case you are having. Is a catatonic type, paranoid type, habiphrenic or disorganized type. Okay, and then you have to go with the medicine subtype and then finalize the medicine on the basis of generalities. Okay, this is what homeopathy is. The beauty of homeopathy is in classical. That's why I always say the approach should be correct. You should be familiar with repertories. If you are not familiar with the repertories, it is a very tough thing for you. See, we are having two type of a classification to go with in repertorization. We can go with the mind also, illusion, delusion, hallucination. If a person is saying, I feel like sounds of ghosts or sounds of dying people or dead ones, I can see the dead people. So it means he is in a hallucination form of schizophrenia. So where we will go? We will go in the mind, hallucination, or mind, see, or feels somebody is there, right? So we have to individualize ki whether we need to go with the diagnosis schizophrenia on 5 subtypes, or we have to focus on the mental symptom of the particular patient. So you can very well understand there are two options available. And see, I don't believe in giving medicine on a vague term, because we are having experience. I am an unprejudiced observer, unprejudiced prescriber. Every case is a new for me, every case is a study for me, every case is a new challenge for me, because I never have prejudication with okay, I give that case this for X medicine, so I have to implement the same medicine in this case also. Never have this thing. The failure of homeopaths is because of this prejudication only. A good prescriber is a one who is unprejudiced and have all the senses intact and smart. Okay, we already discussed it earlier also. The topic is, and not even leave schizophrenia. Recently, I got a case of cancer, adenocarcinoma of fourth stage of lung, right side lung, and you will not believe it. The patient was undergoing chemotherapy, being 73-year-old, and now only within 48 hours, the patient was not taking anything. He was not having a will to eat, and within 24 hours, I got a wonderful result. He took one chapati, and you will not imagine, after repertorization, if you repertorize this case of adenocarcinoma on the basis of generalities, desire was sweet, was there, dryness was there. In totality, if you consider, can you imagine? I just gave the single dose Lyco 200, 2 drops in dilution, 1 dose of Lycopodium 200. And body, vital, see, our body and vital energy is very smart. You have to be a good observer to notice at what time we need to intervene. Okay, and definitely in a very near future I will discuss that case also. I'm dealing with the cancer patients, so two cancer patients are ongoing. One is having 4 stage of gallbladder cancer, another is having adenocarcinoma right lung with the chest cavity involved, already undergoing chemotherapy. And that's why I always say is take all the cases, do intention should be good. You should have good intention, positive thought, will to hard work, will to win over and serve the humanity. And be a proud homeopath. Read well, do hard work. I am here to guide you. Ask me if you are if you want to learn. If you think yes, you have a case you want to learn, I'm always there, but you need to work hard. I don't like people who are negligent, who just believe in spoon feeding, because I don't do that. Okay, anyways, all the best guys, all the best. Work hard, learn good, do good in life, study well, be a proud homeopath, make a Hahnemann proud of ourselves, get the brilliance of homeopathy, let the world recognize the essence of classical homeopathy. I'm a classical homeopath. I always believe in doing the best. I believe in doing your best and just leave the rest. We will see it later on. See, we treat God, we just care, we try to treat, but who cures is a God. And God always favor the people who have good intent. Okay, be a good intent person, serve humanity, make everybody proud, be happy like me, colorful and happy. All the best, take care, goodbye.